Hi everybody, I'm Ellie from T-Sportline, and today I have a brand new 2026 Model X that we just finished customizing on the exterior as well as on the interior. Let's start off with the brand new color from our friends at T-Max. Take a look at this wrap. It is PPF and it's called Gloss Aquamarine. It is a beautiful shade of blue and it's really unique. It looks great on this Model X, and as you can see, we wrapped the complete exterior, providing not only a color change, but also to protect the paint underneath from road rash and rock chips, and that's what PPF does. Next, the customer wanted to go ahead and change the wheels, but keeping the 20-inch size tires that came with this Model X, and he chose our Classic Series satin black TST wheels. A great look. Carbon fiber side camera mounts over here, carbon fiber side mirror caps, and as we make our way around to the rear of the vehicle, he even went with our gloss carbon fiber rear wing spoiler. Now, let's move into the interior. The seat backs on a Model X are typically plastic shells wrapped in vinyl. This customer wanted to give it an upgraded look. He loves carbon fiber, and he went with our gloss carbon fiber seat backs. As you can see, they're super cool. They go on the back of the front seats, the second row, and then on row 3 as well. Now, he didn't stop there. The customer decided to go ahead and have us reimagine the yoke steering wheel with gloss carbon fiber on the lower area over here. So these stocks that are mounted on the steering column from our friends at Enhance, they're called Sexy Stocks, and they're really cool because you could program them to do specific features for you. Features that we're used to having normally on a car, like engaging the vehicle into drive or reverse, or as a blinker, as opposed to using it on your steering wheel or on your screen. Nice creature comforts that you can have in your Tesla, and these are available for all models. To finish it all off, we applied T-Max ceramic coating to the complete exterior and interior of this vehicle. Now, by doing so, now you will have a 10-year warranty with the PPF wrap and a 5-year warranty on the interior because it repels dirt and dust and it provides for a much easier cleanup. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.